Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love -0/ No Limit on acoustic guitar. We'll cover the essential chords, a straightforward strumming technique, and the overall song structure. This classic Bob Dylan tune is perfect for practicing fundamental guitar skills. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation to play this beautiful folk song. Let's dive into the chords. You'll primarily use C major, G major, F major, and D minor. The G7 chord also appears, adding a nice touch. Focus on forming each chord cleanly and transitioning smoothly between them. For example, the verse often follows a C, G, F, C pattern, then D minor, F, G, and back to C. Practice these changes slowly at first. For the strumming, a simple and consistent pattern works best. Try a down, down, up, down, up motion. Focus on keeping a steady rhythm, emphasizing the downstrokes to capture that classic folk sound. You can vary the intensity, but aim for a continuous, flowing feel. Practice this pattern with each chord before combining them into the full progression. The song's structure is quite straightforward, primarily consisting of verses. Each verse generally repeats the same chord progression. Practice playing through entire verses, focusing on smooth chord changes and maintaining your strumming rhythm. Listening to Bob Dylan's original recording will help you internalize the timing and overall feel, bringing your performance to life. Enjoy playing this timeless classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.